YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you today. Today we're going to review the Easthills Outdoors Beach Surf Shelter. So as you can see, it comes with that big convenient carrying case right here. It also has two panels that you'll set up later on in the shelter if you want to. They're optional, but they do come with two. They have the shelter itself right here, and that little bag over here are the stakes that they include with the surf shelter. So to set up your surf shelter, the first thing you want to do is grab the shelter itself. You leave everything else to the side, and you got to take off the band that they give you to keep it together. The next step is just to let it fall and branch out, and you got to keep the main post in the middle of the surf shelter. Third step is that you're just going to have it pull out the top a little bit, have it go out. Fourth step is you'll have these legs. You want to make sure that they're fully extended. So just push them down and pull this up till they're locked in place. You got one there. You've got one over here. Extend it fully in place. You've got one over here. Just fully extend. They won't be locked yet, but you extend them as far as you can go. There's one in the back. Fully extend it up to here. And then finally, you're going to take the middle, and you'll see this piece come down in the middle. You just push it down until it locks in place. Spread out your shelter, and you have it all finished. So I just wanted to give you a close-up of those poles. You're just unhinging this to go fully out on all four sides. To open it up like this, and then you're going to pull up the top and just pull that part down, and it'll lock it in place. The final step is just to make sure that all these clips are clipped on the side, just for a little extra support. So Zach couldn't wait to get into the surf shelter, so we just let him sit there, but you do have to stake it down, and they do include a bag of stakes. So there are 4 places to stake the surf shelter, and there's one there just at each post. 2, 3, and behind Zach for 4. So at each corner they have these little ropes here that you're gonna just put the stake through, push it down, and we'll just hammer it in, and you're gonna do that on all 4 corners. For extremely windy days, they also give you guy lines with another 4 stakes to attach to the surf shelter. On top of the guy lines and the stakes, you also have sand pockets at every corner. So if you're at the beach, you could fill that with sand and also support your surf shelter. Just to show you one possibility, it doesn't just have to be at the beach. Definitely will work for the beach, but it's been staying here for a while. We made some lunch and we're gonna have some. From the inside of the Easthills Outdoors Surf Shelter, just wanted to show you that we have 4 pockets. We have one there, we have one in the other corner, we have one in this corner, and there's actually one right behind me too. So in every corner there's a pocket. So as you see behind Zach while we're eating, and even myself, we have a lot of sun coming into the surf shelter, and you think that'd be a problem, but that's why they give you 2 panels to put on the doorways if you want to block sun out. So we're actually going to do that right now. So this is what it looks like when you have a panel attached, and as you can see, it just has these little things that you put in the holes. You just put them right through, and that's what holds the panel on, and they're attached at various points throughout the whole surf shelter. I'm going to do one more. This is what the surf shelter looks like with the 2 panels up. Blocks lots of sun so that the sun's not all over you. It is UPF 50, so it does protect you from UV rays. And now we can eat our lunch with no sun right on our backs. Just to show you during our little lunch here on the surf shelter, we've actually spilled iced tea in the tent, but it easily wipes away. And if I have paper towel, it just stays right there and will sop right up, so it's easy clean. The top of the surf shelter, they also have a hook so that you can attach a light or anything you want for nighttime or when it gets to be dusk. So the surf shelter is perfect for the beach because if you notice, Zach's sitting right there, but he has a little kind of ruffling right here. That's so that you can actually use it as a play little surf tent and actually get to the sand underneath this thing. So Zach, can you rip that up to show people what you can do? Pull on that Velcro, bud. It's all Velcroed in there. I'm gonna come help you. Yep, pull right up. All right, keep on the other side now, Zach. So Zach and I are gonna rip this up. Keep going. One video. that you could have this as a play tent. Now this grass would all be sand at the beach, obviously, but just to show you, you can use it to play in the sand. And they made it convenient in the fact that once you have the play area open with the sand, we just roll it up. Come on, Zach, let's roll it up. And they leave these little latches right here to just bundle it up so it's up for the whole time that you want to play at the beach. So to take down the surf shelter, you're first going to take out all the stakes and guy lines and anything else you have holding it down. The next step is to come from behind, and you're going to push the locking mechanism up so it unlocks. The next step, you want to take off those removable sides just so that we can get to collapsing this thing. Fits all into one bag, and you could definitely put this in your trunk in your car. Easily transportable, you can leave it there. It's pretty lightweight, and it comes with a carrying strap on the bag. If you'd like to purchase the Easthills Outdoors Beach Surf Shelter, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate that. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. And as always, have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.